I made $25,000 last month, the most money I've earned in a month in my entire life, all thanks to your love and support here on YouTube. To thank you, I will tell you everything I learned throughout this journey and share every little detail you need to know to make money online, including all 4 of the ways I earned my money this month that even you could start doing right now. You might be wondering, I don't have thousands of followers on my YouTube account yet. Let me tell you a little secret. YouTube AdSense only make up barely 1% of that income as of right now. YouTube changed my life for sure, but there are better ways to earn money other than AdSense. AdSense are only the tip of my money iceberg. So listen up, because I am going to make you rich on YouTube. Let's dive right in with the first way I get my bread, and that is selling courses. You know me, and you know that I have been working very closely with Matt Parr. I met Matt when I was a student in TubeMaster and monetization. In that course, he taught students how to create faceless channels and earn up to $30,000 on YouTube, as he did throughout his career on YouTube. If you'd like to know more, feel free to try his latest course, Tube AI, in the link down in the description below. Matt invites all students to partner with him to sell the course, and I might have been one of the few stupid enough to take him seriously. So I decided to try applying what I learned in the course by making a video promoting TubeMaster and monetization. That was the second video I made after taking the course, and it earned me $230 the week I released it. The course was expensive, but I made my money back after making 2 sales in the first month after that video's release. And let me tell you, the feeling was so rewarding that I got hooked on selling courses on YouTube when the money started coming in. Matt Parr has a very generous 50% commission rate for affiliates, making it very easy to earn the money that you spend on the course. Since then, I've made some pretty great money selling a variety of courses, including over $22,000 selling Matt's courses alone. So how can you find opportunities like this? I got in on this opportunity by joining TubeMaster and monetization. You can get in on the opportunity by joining Tube AI, Matt's newest course, using my link in the description. Matt and a host of guest teachers, including AI Guy, will teach you how to use AI to make videos in a flash. But you can only become an affiliate by signing up for the course. Trust me, making money online is easier than you think. This next income stream is a bit more controversial because it works for some people, and some said they didn't earn a single penny. But I can tell you it works, at least for me, because I make anywhere between $2,000 and $4,000 per month with just this strategy. It all began when I got into Pictory when Vidnami went under, and I needed a new content creation tool when Vidnami went away. For people who aren't familiar with Vidnami, Vidnami was the original AI video generator tool. Back in 2020-2019, it was a fairly old software. Vidnami was going away, it got bought by GoDaddy, and I needed something to replace that. So I started looking around, and Pictory was an option. I tried Pictory and I liked it. It was intuitive, and I noticed that Pictory had a tiered affiliate program. The affiliate program starts at around 10% until you get a certain amount of sales, and then it goes to 20%, and then it goes to 30%, and then it goes to 50% when you're at the top tier, the mega affiliate. I'm currently a mega affiliate. I did it in maybe 6 months. It takes 500 sales to get from the absolute beginning to mega affiliate. I was able to do that by April 2023, and that was the first time I made $10,000 a month. I was able to sell 500 Pictory subscriptions, and they also give you a $1,000 bonus. So in April 2023, I made $12K and some change. It was pretty cool. What convinced me I could do it was I had already done it with Matt's course. I had already made affiliate sales for a $500 program, so I was pretty confident I could make sales for a $50 software. And as the software developed new tiers, and as those new tiers became more expensive, I continued to sell. Pictory isn't the only product I sell, it's just the product I sell most of. I'm also an affiliate for just about anything I promote on the channel, especially things like 11 Labs. Anything that I believe in, I will promote. So if I'm using it, I'll tell viewers about it, and if they like what I have to say, I can make a sale. All in all, it's fair to say that between all the affiliate products I sell, I can make maybe $4,000 pretty consistently, depending if Pictory is up or down. Everything else just remaining consistent. So the main takeaway for this income stream is that selling stuff online could help you make the big bucks. But it is by no means easy. If you're intimidated by sales, start by selling products you really believe in. I believed every product I pushed on this channel, and you can call me a sellout or whatever, but I would still recommend these products regardless because I know it is good for me. See if the software that you are using has any affiliate programs, and you could start social media campaigns for these programs and get commissions. Now what I'm about to tell you is something you might not like to hear. Get a job. Yes, we are all here trying to escape the 9 to 5, but the reality is we all need to start somewhere. I work in IT, and you can go to college to learn it. I have a bachelor's in computer information systems and an MBA, as well as a master in cybersecurity, but nobody cares. However, still, stay in school, kids. An IT job, they all want to know what certifications you have. I put some money into a 5-day boot camp to learn CompTIA security. I studied for 2 months before I went to the boot camp, did the boot camp, passed the test, and was able to put that on my resume and have that badge on my resume. Jobs started calling me. That's when I started working for companies like Accenture, Booz, Allen Hamilton. I started working for very big companies because I was able to get the Security Plus certification. And I would highly encourage anyone who is interested in getting into security. I make well over 6 figures from my current job, which is also why it's so hard for me to leave my current job. It's a double-edged sword. So a lot of people who are on YouTube start as kids, and you'll see some of the creators much bigger than me. I saw some younger YouTubers analytics, and they can make $3,000 a month. The YouTube income is great. However, I make so much money at my job. It would be very difficult to just leave it until YouTube can not just meet it, but beat it by about 50%. I'm getting close to that mark. And one day when I hit that mark, I'll be sure to make a video announcing that I'm leaving my job to become a full-time YouTuber. But until then, I'm still going to work every day. The nature of my work is different from somebody who works in retail or other kinds of labor. There is nothing wrong with that. Those jobs make our society go around. IT is one of the skills I believe to be a high-income skill. Maybe in a future video, I will talk about what other high-income skills you can get to improve your situation. Tell me in the comments below if you want my favorite high-income streams I wish I would have learned. The final piece of the puzzle to my money-making matrix is starting your own consulting business. Leverage what you are good at and start helping others with your skills. This is something I just started doing fairly recently. I want to say maybe December of 2023. There are 2 parts to that. Once I made over $10K a month, Matt hired me to help run the courses. I help Matt with about 3 of his YouTube courses right now, where he's the head and he makes the videos, but I'm the coach. I will also make videos and I'll answer people with daily questions. People in the group got to know me and started wanting my help. Anything you do well, somebody is going to say, hey, maybe you can help me do what I'm doing a little bit better. All it takes is just having 10% more knowledge than the next person, and they'll want you to impart that knowledge to them, which is the whole point of this channel. I started taking on consulting and coaching clients, and one of my students was asking if I have any kind of agreement that I don't take on coaching clients. Since I don't, I decided, okay, since people are looking for that opportunity from me, I will help them. I will grant them the opportunity to meet with me. I set up Zoom and Calendly and started doing research as far as what other YouTubers charge for their coaching. I saw that Roberto Blake charges $700 an hour for his coaching. I also saw that there are a couple of really big faceless YouTubers that I know personally, but their courses that include coaching go for $8,000. So I'm like, okay, the average person might get 10 coaching calls out of these people. There is another guy on a channel that I started watching recently. He charges $1,500 an hour for coaching. I crunched all the numbers and I saw that the average coaching cost per call for about an hour's worth of the average YouTube coach's time goes for about $400, maybe $500. So I said, okay, I want to come in a little bit under that to make my coaching services more competitive. So I decided to charge $265 per 40 minutes. Now in that 40 minutes, I tend to get people more than 40 minutes. That's how I got into coaching. One thing you need to understand is that YouTube money is not like job money. So when you go for a job and you do your interview, they tell you're going to make $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a year. YouTube money doesn't work like that. YouTube money is based on what the advertisers are willing to pay to get in front of your audience. That particular day, it changes from day to day. And it also changes depending on how many people watch per day, and also changes depending on what your topics are about. And since a large portion of my money comes from sales of some sort, either course sales, affiliate sales, or consulting sales, it comes from how hard I'm going to work that month. You can have good months and you can have bad months. Some of my months, like May, were as good as, say, $25,000 from all sources of income for the month. Some of my months have been as bad as, say, $15,000 from all sources. So it ranges. On average online, I make about $10,000 a month. Some of those months are good months and some of those months are bad months. I think it's important for you to know that. These are all my ways of making money online, and you can start doing right now. YouTube has changed my life, and so it can change yours. There is opportunity everywhere. It's just whether you want to take that chance for yourself. So go get that bread, my friend. I am rooting for you. And if you want to skyrocket your YouTube rankings and attract thousands of viewers, watch my video, How to Use AI Tools to Make Videos in 5 Minutes. I'll reveal a secret AI tool that creates SEO optimized scripts, titles, keywords, and descriptions you can use with Pictory to make videos in minutes. Click the card on your screen to level up your YouTube game now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to join our community of aspiring YouTube entrepreneurs.